Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom emoji on your iPhone iOS 18. And it's really easy and simple to do this, guys. So these are some of the examples, and I can show you some more as well right here. So you basically are going to be using your Genmoji plus Apple Intelligence. So this is what you do, guys. First things first, you're going to tap on the text field wherever you want to put that emoji, and then go ahead and tap either this icon or this icon to basically switch to the emoji keyboard. Okay, then you want to tap on this at the top right hand corner of the on-screen keyboard, and now you want to basically enter a description of your Genmoji or your custom emoji, right? So enter that description. For example, here it is rainbow cactus, and it will generate an emoji based on your prompt. What you want to do is click on done, and then you just want to tap on add to basically add the Genmoji to a message. Once you've added it, just tap on the Genmoji you want to use, and then tap on add once you swipe through and select it. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, continue smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.